Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make beautiful looking, realistic AI models absolutely free. And it's pretty easy to do. So they look like this young lady here, and then here's another example of some AI models that I created. And all of these, I'll show you exactly how to do the prompts, where to do it, and everything. So let's get started. So this is basically what we're doing. And then often in business or you just, online, you want to be able to make these models and you can use them how you want to promote your products, services, use them on YouTube thumbnails, whatever you want. There's a huge range of things you can do. So let's just talk about how to make these. So the first thing, just take a look here. And if you put in your email, I will give you this page. It's a growing Google document where I show a lot of different stuff, and we're going to keep adding to it. So this is a free thing. But I'm just going to go down here to this AI model maker. So we click this. This opens up to a Google Colab, which is free. And you get this. It starts to look like code, but don't worry. You don't need to know how to do anything. All you have to do is click first on this connect. And then that takes a little bit of time, but it's not a big deal. So it's just connecting here. And then you see the check mark, it's all connected. Then you click this run button right here, and it'll say this is not authorized by Google. So you just click run anyway. It's not a big deal. And then you just wait. So I will cut the video here and I'll show you when it's done. This will just take a couple minutes. Okay, so after 2 or 3 minutes, pretty much everything will be loaded up here. So just be patient with that. It's not a big deal. And then you just scroll down and you look for a gradio.live link running on public URL. You'll find it there. You just click on that. And then you are opened up to where you prompt and where you generate the images. So there's a lot of stuff you can do. If you click on advanced, you'll see all kinds of things: lighting, realistic, the aspect ratios, whatever, how many images you want to generate. Maybe we'll go to 4 here. Output format, PNG, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I'm just going to just change that to 4. I'm going to go back to this free thing that I would give you just to give, because I'm going to give the different prompts that I've used. You can use a variety of your own prompts, doesn't matter. But there's some that make things look a little bit better when you talk about like what camera to use, what angle, how realistic, and so on. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, and then you can customize it a little bit, but this is, I think, a pretty good camera angle and stuff. So where am I here? Right, so I'm just going to cut and paste that prompt in there. What does it say here? So talks about the camera, Sony A7, whatever. And then it just says it portraying a young, extremely attractive Asian woman. She's 22 years old, walking outside near a lake. She wears a cute T-shirt. I mean, you can change this kind of stuff. And let's just see what happens when I click generate. So this takes a little while too. We'll skip through or fast forward some of this, but this doesn't take as long. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we have our 4 models here. So let's take a look at what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all look slightly different. You might say, okay, you like this one as a base model. You can always change the clothes, the expression. I'll show you how to do that later. But let's say you like this one as a base. And if you don't like it, you can try the prompt again, but you can download that here. And I use the paid version of Canva because we use this all the time, but there's other ways to do this. And some of this you can do for free in Canva. But anyway, I'll just show you something that you can do. Let's say I go to this models page here. I'll just create a new page down here. Okay, so then I upload I can upload the model that I just created. This one here. It's probably a better habit to actually put names for these things in, but just so you remember, I have a bad habit of doing that where they're all, image number 11. I just leave it sometimes, but should clean that up. And so we have the image here. You can just put it there. I like to sometimes get rid of the background. That's how I got them all to be with no background. And there are free things that you can do to remove a background. Um, but anyway, you might like this model, use her for something. On a thumbnail, it makes it more likely people will click on it sometimes. Here's another one that we created. You can get rid of the background. Again, this is a similar prompt, but they always look different because it's a little bit random when you do the AI stuff. But anyway, that is how to do it. And like I said, in the video link description, I'm going to put a spot just to give your email. We never bombard you with a bunch of junk email, but I'll just quickly send an automatic email that gives you, the prompts where to click. This is our YouTube script finder, which is a cool little feature. So you get that as a bonus. And we're going to keep adding to this Google Doc as we go. So it's good just to get it, and then you'll learn the cool little tips and tricks that we're doing. But this is how to make an AI model for free with Google Colab. So play around with it. Let us know what you think in the comments, what you're able to make and how you use these, or let us know what you'd like to learn next time. And we will see you next time. By the way, check us out at aigrowthguys.com, and we will see you soon.